Hey, what is going on, guys? We are back again. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to reset your computer, factory reset your computer. Um, if for some reason feel like you having issues with it, maybe a virus, maybe it's running slow, whatever the reason may be, you want to reset it. This is how you do it. You go to the Windows. Um, you're gonna type in settings. This is for Windows 10, by the way. Um, After settings, you scroll down, you go to update and security, recovery, and this is where you want to be. So you'll hit get started, and you are prompted with two options: keep files and remove everything. Click on keep files. It's gonna show you everything that's gonna be removed, your apps, all your apps that are gonna be removed. However, it will keep the files for those apps, but it will actually remove the apps themselves. Uh, and if you go remove everything, this is like a full wipe. Um, you'll wipe your hard drive and completely remove everything. Now there is another option. Um, if for whatever reason you can't get to these two options, you can go to start. You go to power, and on restart, you want to hold shift and click restart. I'm not gonna do it because it'll restart my computer, but I'll put a picture up of the options that it'll give you. Um, Once you get to that screen, you want to hit the recovery, or not the recovery, the troubleshoot. And from the troubleshoot, you'll basically get to these options as well. It'll be um, the same options, just a different path to them. Um, and that is going to be it for today. Hope this helped. Hope that you found this useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.